pause it and read the question. So because we replace after each pick, the outcome will be the same every single time. The first and the second pick will have the same probability because we replace the color that we picked earlier on. So to pick a blue, it's only 4 chances out of 9. A green is 5/9. The same thing, you repeat because the outcome is the same. Let's label our branches. So this is the labeling. Pick the same color. Okay, we have blue and blue and green and green. So these are the 2 options. Work each out. Blue and blue is 4/9 times 4/9. Green and green is 5/9 times 5/9. That gives us 41/81. Exactly 1 green pencil. No green pencil. 2 green pencils, but we want exactly 1. So these are the 2 options. 2 green pencils. Blue-green is 4/9 times 5/9. Plus green and blue is 5/9 times 4/9. And that gives us 40/81. Last one, at most 1 blue pencil. At most means the maximum number of blue you should have is 1. Only 1. Maximum number of blue pencils you should have is 1 or no blue at all. So we're looking for, so it's the reverse of at least. So to work out these 3 options, we work out what we don't want and take it away from 1. And we know BB is 4/9 times 4/9, which is 1/16. So 1 minus 16/81 is 65/81. Example 3.